Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to how to fix iPhone getting hot and overheating issue. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So here you can see that I have the latest version on my iPhone, and then after this the next solution is remove your lock screen widgets. So first of all, lock your iPhone and remove customize tap on lock screen. So guys, if you are using widgets here, so simply remove all the widgets from your lock screen, and then after this the next solution is shut down your iPhone momentarily. So guys, restart your iPhone in the day for 4 or 5 times, and then after this the next solution is disable location services on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, tap to turn this off, and then after this the next solution is use a non-fast charger, and then after this the next solution is enable low power mode. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on battery, tap on low power mode, go back now, and then after this the next solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and scroll down, and tap on reset, and tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix your overheating issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.